want to do is remove our dipstick. This is going to help the crankcase vent properly when draining our engine oil. After that, using a 17mm wrench, we'll remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As it's doing so, now is a good time to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Then we'll simply reinstall the drain bolt and torque this to 16.5 foot-pounds. Now, using a 68mm oil filter wrench, we'll go ahead and remove the oil filter off the engine. While you're doing so, make sure you have a drain pan handy because you will get some oil spillage. Before installing our new oil filter, we want to apply a thin coat of oil around the outside gasket. This is going to help removing it the next service a lot easier. And we'll torque this to 13 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Suzuki states that this unit holds 4.5 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. You can use any manufacturer here, but as long as it's designed for a wet clutch system, which means most of your four-wheelers and motorcycles. Don't use an automotive oil. And we'll simply reinstall our dipstick, snug it down, and now we're going to start the engine up and let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly, and once it's done that, we'll go ahead and shut the engine off and let it sit for a few more minutes. That's going to help us get an accurate oil level reading. To check the oil level, we're going to remove the dipstick and then wipe off the excess oil, and then simply place it back on top of the threads and lift it back out. And that looks perfect, so let's hit the road.